Hello everyone, today I will introduce you CGDI BMW how to version EGS F series 8 HP. Here is the number, but not clearly. Looks like this. Okay, this function BMW EGS change. We need to choose 8 HP. We not connect the OBD, so it shows OBD timeout. This is okay. Check the EGS variant diagram in the software. Here, this diagram. Follow this diagram to connect the EGS and CGDI device. We must remove our EGS. Do it on bench. And here, this adapters, you can make it by yourself or you can buy from our website. It only have 4 cables. Green can high and yellow can low. And 2 power and 1 GND. Okay, we need to make sure the connector is correct. Then connect OBD, power, 12 voltage, external power, connect it. Then we enter into EGS change page again. 8 HP. Here, it connect succeed and read out the EGS information. This information. This information actually is very important. You better save it. It has VN information and others. We check the EGS status. Here, EGS is not cleaned. We want to version the EGS, means we need to clean the ISN. Nothing special, just clean this one, clean ISN. The EGS is about to be programmed. Make sure the battery it is stable and the connector is good. Just click yes. Whether to backup data, we click yes. And here, the VN, you can change it. If you need to modify it, click OK after the modification. We no change it, just click confirm. Here, it is ready to program ECU, and here, the file save path. Normally, the file saved in BMW user date place. This one, your CGDI. The VN 2788, this one. The information. can check. I said this place is important. We back up the information. And the EGS CAFD code file. It is still programming ECU. Must to make sure no touch this and the cover, the power cable connect good. The power is stable. Here, EGS ISN is cleaned. We click OK. We check EGS status again. It's cleaned. Check it again. Cleaned. And here, after we here is the help. Actually, this help file is useless, but still you can check how to use it. We clean ISN. We need to put our EGS back to car to code it. If not work after you code, you can try program it. If program still not work, here this function reset adaptation must do it on car. Put your EGS to car and do this function. Turn off the ignition switch for 15 seconds and turn on the ignition switch and click OK. You need to do it in car. Here I just click OK. And after these steps, it will be OK. Your EGS can work good. And sometimes some customer check the EGS status. It is not correct. We can read the information, then go to F-Series program page. Here, sometimes the SWFL or BTLD file will be unknown or known information. Here we can choose advanced programming. Okay, we click yes here. You can check. You can choose the information, the EGS information from our server. Must connect the internet and program follow this information. Choose the same version as your original one. Then click confirm. Then it will program it. Our server will write a file into the EGS. Then the EGS status will be normal. Then you can do other operations. Okay, that's all. Thanks for your watching.